Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Before I show you my haul that I have for you today, I wanted to show you just a few of the things that I got from the thrift shop and what I've done with them. Now I'm not going to show you everything today. I've got some things that I'll show you later. But I thought this was a table runner or some kind of linen. Yeah, it's a linen all right. It's a pillow cover. It has a slit in the back. How that escaped me and I didn't see it, I don't know. I just know I've been kind of busy lately. Anyways, I discovered this was a pillow cover and it's probably going to end up on my bed. But right now it's on my couch and I'm happy with it here. Also, I did take my tree down. You will see my tree in this video, but I did want you to know that it is down now. One of the other things that I got in my thrift video were these doilies, and I told you I like to use them on tables. And so I have them on this table here, and I have my chair tray on top of it. And I think it looks really cute like this. And also my table is new and I'm looking for a couple shelves. I want to put 2 shelves above this table here. I'm keeping my table linens in it and I'm real happy with it. And I just got to find a couple shelves. Still on the hunt for that. Also this table, I'm going to rework this, but it's going to be done in the spring when I can work out in the garage and I can sand and paint. I have to wait till it warms up. Oh, one thing I want to show you is that this shirt, I'm wearing the sweater. This I got in the thrift store, and if you didn't see my thrift haul and my thrift shopping, I will link that for you below. So I'm real happy with it. I like it. I got it for $7. Okay, let's get into this video. Today I am going to show you a Target and IKEA haul that I did recently. And I have one thing from Hobby Lobby too, but I have some things planned for this spring as far as videos go, and so I thought I would show you my haul and show you some of the things that I picked up, and maybe that'll give you a little bit of a hint of what I'm going to be doing come springtime. So the first thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to just start with this piece from Hobby Lobby. I bought this kind of on a whim. I was in the store. And I would have never paid full price for it because it was $20, but I did get it half off, so I got it for $10. And I've been wanting one of these because I never know what the labels mean anymore, and I really need this kind of a chart. And I'll probably give you a little bit of a hint of what I'm going to be doing, one of the projects I'm going to be working on this spring. So then I'm going to go to Target here and show you the things that I got from, oh wait, I am sorry, I have one more thing from Hobby Lobby. Oh, I picked up this little, this was, how much was this? Okay, this was 40% off, sorry. This little piece here, I thought this was really sweet. This is in their spring line, and this was 40% off, so it was $9.99 and I got it for $5.99, I believe. Yes, $5.99 for this. And you know, sometimes this is one of those pieces where I was like, oh, I really think that's cute, and I thought it might be gone, so I went ahead and snatched that up. I do plan to do a spring Hobby Lobby video. I know there are videos out there already, but I wanted to wait a little bit. So I will be doing a shopping video if you're interested in that, but it will be a couple weeks yet. And then, okay, now I'm going to show you the things that I picked up at Target. So, Hearth and Hand, first of all. I wanted some of these little candles. I had seen other people have them, and I thought, oh, those are so cute. So these were $4, and I picked up a couple of these. I don't know, I'm going to tuck them in a mug or a little canister or something like that, or maybe I'll take them out of the package and use them, but I kind of like them like this, so we'll see. And then the other thing that I got was this mug, and this mug says, if you can see, this says Morning Sunshine. I thought that was really cute. These are really nice mugs. They're made well and they're quite substantial. I got 2 for Christmas. I got one for me and one for my husband, and I've been using them, and even though I wasn't sure if I wanted to use them, but I did end up using one day because I needed to. And I thought, oh, these are great. So when I saw this one, I decided to get this one also because I like the morning sunshine caption on it. And these are $5. These are running $5. So then the other thing that I got was I got this hand towel. And I love this. If you can see that, it has kind of like an old-fashioned kind of antique look to it. I love the colors because I'm partial to blue and white and kind of soft and muted colors like that. And so this was $7.99. It wasn't on sale. I did purchase it because a lot of times the Hearth and Hand stuff tends to go. I did find myself buying things that were not on sale just because sometimes I want something, and if it's not going to go on sale, sometimes I miss out on it because they're all gone. So I loved this. They also have washcloths and they have bath towels. Be a really great set to have. I just purchased one hand towel for my powder room. And then the last thing that I got was this basket. I am seeing these in advertisements. They're really pretty style, and this is one of those things. Again, this was, let's see, what is the price on this? Okay, I'm gonna say this was like $18 or $18.99. I know it was under 20, but I thought it's very nice. I'm definitely going to use it. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use it yet, but I will be using it to decorate this spring. And this is, again, this is one of those pieces that if you wait too long, it'll be gone. And I think there were only 2 in the store, so I did end up picking this up. Okay, on to IKEA now. So if you saw my IKEA video, you know that I went into the store and showed you around and showed you what they have new for the new year. And one of the things that I picked up was this duvet and pillow set. And this is a queen. It's a full or queen, and it was $19.99. And honestly, I really love this. This is a toile. And if any of you know, with toile pieces, do I have it on? There we go. I do have it right. And with toile pieces, they are they're expensive. Like, I was looking up toile fabric. Again, I have a project I'm working on that I wanted to use toile pattern of material in it. And when I saw this at IKEA, I was like, I am totally going to use that for my project that I'm working on. So I'm actually not going to be using this on my bed. I'm actually going to be using it as material. And then I also picked up a couple of these little frames here, and I think these were $5. They're in my IKEA video. The price is in there. I think I tell you what the price is in that video, and I will link that below, and I will link it up in the cards here. So anyways, this is a bifold, and it has like a glass back, so you can put a picture in there, and then it's kind of see-through on the sides. It's in the gold color. Got that. And then the last thing that I picked up are these 20 by 20 pillow covers. Yes, yeah, 20 by 20 pillow covers, and those are going to go on my pillows on this couch here. They're gray pillows, and I kind of want to give it kind of like a beige. You can't really see it, but want to kind of tone down the gray with this color here. And okay, how much were these? Again, it's in my video. So they weren't, oh no, they were $9.99. That's right, these were $9.99. So these were a little bit more. And then they do have ties in the back. So I liked these, and I think they have ties. Okay, I opened one up here, and yes, they have the ties on them, so you can tie them in the back. So anyways, those are the items that I have picked up recently at the stores and that I will be using with future videos this spring. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you have a favorite item or if you have any information to add on any of the items that I have showed you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.